Hello friends, I myself Dr. Bharat Parab. We are discussing today the properties of rational numbers and real numbers. Role of 0. A plus 0 is equal to 0 plus A is equal to A. This is true for natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and real numbers. Hence, 0 is called as additive identity for all the sets of numbers given above. A rule of 1. A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A is true for all the sets of numbers given above. Hence, 1 is called as multiplicative identity for all the sets of numbers given above. Reciprocals. In equation A upon B into B upon A is equal to 1. Then if the product of two numbers is 1, then both the numbers are reciprocals of each other. Another property, negative of a number. A plus minus A equal to 0. That is, if addition of any two numbers is 0, then those two numbers are called as negative or additive inverse of each other. Those numbers are opposite in signs only, their addition is 0. Another property, real numbers and the rational numbers can be represented on number line. This is one of the property. Another property, for each number there is only one point on the number line, and for every point there is only one number. That is, no number has more than one point and no point has more than one number. Another property, there are infinite numbers between any two numbers for both rational numbers and real numbers. Another property, sum, difference, product or quotient of non-zero rational number with irrational number is always irrational. That means if irrational number is involved in any of these operations, the answer is always irrational. But sum, difference, product or quotient of a non-zero irrational number may be rational or irrational. That is, if both the numbers are irrational, then the answer may be irrational or rational. See below. Root 2 is irrational number. So root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 2 root 2 is irrational number. But root 2 minus root 2 is 0 is a rational number. Root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2 is a rational number. And root 2 divided by root 2 is equal to 1 is again a rational number. Another property, distributivity of multiplication or addition. See, A into bracket B plus C, that is gives you A into B plus A into C. Similarly for subtraction, A into bracket B minus C is AB minus AC. This is true for all the sets of number given above. Let us check this distributivity property of multiplication or addition by an example. So we solve example to get the proof of this. Consider any three numbers as, for example, minus 3 upon 4, 1 upon 3 and minus 7 upon 6. Now take any two numbers in bracket and multiply these two numbers by some other number. Let us take minus 3 upon 4 outside the bracket and multiply. So this is, we carry out the operation like this, minus 3 upon 4 and into bracket 1 upon 3 plus minus 7 upon 6. Very simple application. Now we solve it. Solve the bracket first by taking LCM. That will be 2 minus 7 upon 6. So we take LCM here. So we go ahead, minus 3 upon 4 and minus 5 upon 6. So cancel 3 with 6 gets 2, and the final answer is 5 upon 8. This is the first answer. Remember this answer. Okay. And now we carry out the multiplying the bracket by the outside number. So minus 3 upon 4 is 1 upon 3 plus minus 7 upon 6, and we take minus 3 upon 4 inside the bracket like this and multiply 1 upon 3 by minus 3 upon 4 and minus 7 upon 6 again by minus 3 upon 4 like this. That is the formula says we are multiplying a to the bracket, where in bracket is b plus c. So we cancel this, carry over ahead, and we get minus 1 upon 4 and 7 upon 8. So now again we take LCM. Okay, so LCM is 8, so this is minus 2, very simple calculations, and say we get 5 upon 8 as answer. And now you see by both this method answers are same. So this shows that the operation or the property which is given is satisfies all the condition is correct. Hence, so we say that hence statement is true. You can take any three other numbers, positive, negative, any numbers, and check it again. Okay.